Welcome to the Dustbane Website Guide, your ultimate resource hub. As a partner, we want to make sure you have all the tools you need to sell like a pro and succeed. Let's start by heading to our website. From the top menu, go to Resources. This is your gateway to product and safety documentation, as well as training materials. On all product pages, under the Resources tab, you'll find a variety of resources for that particular product, including Product Sheet, perfect for quickly learning about the products you'll be promoting. Spec Sheet, for technical details like product dimensions, sizes, or applications. Safety Data Sheets, for documentation to ensure safe product use and handling. For all concentrated products, your customers can even order workplace labels from our website and use them to ensure end-user safety. From the top menu, you can go to our resources, explore our cleaning guides to find the right products for different spaces, from restrooms to boardroom. These guides make it easy to recommend Dustbane solutions tailored to your customer's industry. Check out the Knowledge Center for additional resources like brochures, white papers, case studies, and infographics. That's not all. Visit our YouTube channel for product how-to videos, before and after demos, and cleaning tips and tricks. Lastly, learn more about our sustainability initiatives, like Give Meaning to Your Cleaning and Buy One, We Plant One, to take pride in the products you'd be selling or using. Dustbane, give meaning to your cleaning.